International Yoga Day, people across the country practiced and propagated the ancient discipline in an effort to ensure success on June 21st, when millions are expected to perform yoga in more than 1 lakh camps across the country. In Jharkhand, employees and family members of Central Coalfields Limited are practicing yoga as part of a campaign organized by the company.
People are participating in huge numbers. We have begun this campaign in several other areas also. Our efforts are aimed at ensuring maximum participation by the people of Jharkhand in this drive on June 21st. This would be beneficial for the ordinary citizen of our country.
The company, which saw a record growth in production this year, hopes to improve the productivity of its employees through yoga. Meanwhile, in Visakhapatnam, educational institutions and yoga centers have drawn up extensive plans to promote International Yoga Day. A number of events have been planned in different areas of the city to mark the day.
We are very happy to celebrate that day, and here in Vizag, many people are very eagerly waiting for that day just to celebrate.
The United Nations declared June 21st as International Day of Yoga. The government has drawn up extensive plans to promote yoga on June 21st. Over 1 lakh camps will be set up across the country on that day for people to do yoga, wherein millions are expected to take part. Bureau Report, DD News.
Well, Noori Khan does yoga every day. She teaches yoga to the Delhi police. Noori treats yoga as an exercise to stay fit and healthy, saying it has nothing to do with religion.
If there is a will, there is a way. If you are trying to achieve, there will be roadblocks, but you don't stop. Even obstacles like caste and religion can't stop you. Noori Khan, a yoga trainer for Delhi police, proved this.
मैं अपने पुलिस लाइंस में जो हमारे हैं, मैं यहाँ पर अपनी क्लासेस देती हूँ. अभी पिछले महीने मैंने अपना प्रीतमपुरा पुलिस लाइन में 1 महीने का कैंप दिया था. हमारे 4 सेंटर हैं, अभी और बनाए जा रहे हैं. उन 4 सेंटरों में मुझे अलग-अलग प्रशिक्षण के लिए भेजा जाता है.
Noori says yoga has nothing to do with religion, and it is not fair to make controversy over yoga on the basis of religion and caste.
धर्म से योगा का कोई वास्ता नहीं है. योग मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, हिंदू सभी लोग योगा करते हैं. सर, अब योग के अंदर सबसे पहले जब हम योग स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम ओम का उच्चारण करते हैं. तो ओम तो सर मुस्लिम भी कहते हैं और हिंदू भी कहते हैं. अब मैं खुद सर मुस्लिम हूँ, मैं खुद ओम से ही अपना योगा का स्टार्ट करती हूँ.
Usually Muslim women wear veil on their head, but Noori's family supported her so that she can use her yoga skills for a healthy society.
सूर्य नमस्कार जो लोग करते हैं वो सूर्य की किरणें लिए करते हैं कि सूरज से हमें किरणें मिलती हैं, हमारे जिस्म में उसकी किरणें जाती हैं. सूरज, चांद, तो ये अहम एक खुदा के बनाई हुई चीज़ें हैं. इससे कोई धर्म का वास्ता नहीं है, रहना देना नहीं है. योग बहुत ज़रूरी है. बेटे की वो भी नूरी खान है, वो योग के लिए बहुत तंदुरुस्त है और उसने जितने भी ये चालू किया है योग, इससे इंशाल्लाह कामयाबी मिलेगी.
Noori is from Bagpat and holds a bachelor degree in yoga. And since last 5 months, she is taking yoga classes at a family welfare society of Delhi Police Colony.
ये मुझे जिस तरह से भी आसन सिखाती हैं उससे मेरी दैनिक ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी सुधार आया है.
It's very good that everyone, Muslim, Hindu, Sikh and Christians, all are following yoga without any discrimination.
Noori's father-in-law is retired from Delhi Police and he is also a sports trainer. Her whole family supports the idea of a healthy society. Women like Noori can teach a lot to society and can set example for the upcoming generations. Rajesh Raj report, DD News, Delhi.